Assalamualaikum. My name is Yusuf Ali and I am very happy to share a little bit about myself with you through this video resume. I was born in Patna, Bangladesh and now I live in Dhaka. I come from a caring and supportive family. My father is a businessman and my mother is a housewife. They have always taught me to be honest, hardworking and kind to others. Their support has helped me become a person I am today. Right now, I am a student at Daffodil International University. I am studying in the Department of Real Estate. And I am in my 6th semester. My GPA is 3.81 and I am working hard to improve even more. Before university, I completed my SSC at Birsreshtur Nur Muhammad Public School and College, Dhaka with a GPA 4.75. And I did my SSC at Police Lines School and College, Bogura, where I got a GPA 4.28. My education has not only helped me get good results, but also taught me discipline, time management, and how to set and achieve goals. Besides studying, I enjoy taking part in different campus activities. I believe learning also comes from teamwork, leadership, and real experience. I am currently involved in many university clubs like CDC Career Development Club, Social Business Student Forum SBSF, and Real Estate Club etc. Being part of this club has helped me grow in many ways. I have improved my communication, teamwork, and leadership skills. I have helped organize events, manage group, and even hosted some programs. This experience helped me build confidence and taught me how to work with different people to understand real estate better. I have joined several industry visits that organized by my department. I have visited well-known projects like Rupan City, Uttara, Dhaka Tower, BTI project, Sheltec project, and etc. This field visit gave me the chance to learn how real estate projects work in real life, from planning and design to sales and construction. It was exciting to see how professionals and different areas come together to make projects successful. This experience gave me real confidence in choosing real estate as my future career. I also have some useful technical skill. I can use AutoCAD and SketchUp, which are design tools for creating 2D plans and 3D models. I enjoy using these tools to bring building ideas to life. Working with designs help me express my creativity and understand how real estate connects with architecture and planning. I am also interested in learning more software to improve my skill further. My dream is to become a real estate expert. I want to work in market research, investment analysis, and project planning. To me, real estate is more than just building. It's about building better communities, creating safe homes, and developing smart modern cities. I want to use my education experience to skill to help the real estate sector in Bangladesh grow in sustainable and smart way. I believe with hard work and continuous learning, I can make a meaningful contribution to this industry. In short, I am a person who is positive minded and always ready to learn positive and something new. I love taking on challenges and I'm always looking for ways to grow and improve. Thank you so much for watching my video resume. Once again, I'm Yusuf Ali Imon and I'm excited to start my journey in real estate world and make a real impact.